We all know scrubbing takes time, especially if you're looking to use physical exfoliants. Then I also understand if you're looking to use other type of exfoliant, they are super expensive, and that is why once you are ready or you've decided to exfoliate, it is very much important for you to exfoliate the right way. And hi Versus, welcome back to my channel. It's again Melina, and today I'll be sharing with you guys tips and tricks to actually exfoliate and get the best out of it. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to give some tips and tricks in no particular order. And number one is the fact that you have to pre-cleanse. Yes, so you have to pre-cleanse for you to get the best out of your scrubbing session or your scrubbing processes. Okay, so how do you pre-cleanse? You pre-cleanse by using water and mild or a moisturizing bath soap to wash off dirt from your skin, so that the product you're going to be using to actually scrub your skin can penetrate and have good effect onto your skin. If you are scrubbing your skin, or if you're looking to scrubbing your skin and you don't use soap and water to wash off the dirt on your skin, once you are applying that scrub on your skin, it's just like you're mixing good and bad together on your skin, and you are giving more fight to the products that you're trying to actually apply to your skin not to work. Okay, so when you actually get rid of the dirt with a mild soap, I recommend soap like Dove, the Johnson, and Vaseline Heavy Bright. So you can use that with water to wash off the dirt on your skin before applying or before scrubbing your skin. In that way, all that it constitutes in your scrub, whether you're using a brightening scrub or a lightening one, or contain kojisan, or whatever it is contained, or whatever active that is contained in your scrub, they will have more effective result on your skin, not using soap and straight to scrub. Okay, so that is tips number one. Then tip number two is what are you looking to achieve in the process of this your scrub? In the process, what you're looking to achieve with your scrub will determine the kind of scrub that you take or you're going to have. Because when you go to shop for scrub in the shop or in the store, you're going to find different type of scrub. We have brightening and lightening, we have just gentle exfoliating. So they also contain different active based on what you want to get on your skin. I used to go for Kojisan scrub. Then I discovered they were kind of too harsh for my skin, so I stick to 3 and I just go for 3 brightening scrub. I will leave a picture of that on the thumbnail. I stick to 3 now, and I love the effect of that. For example, this was one on the skin right here is my husband's own, and I didn't really like the effect of that on my skin, because he doesn't like strong scrub effect on him. But me, I like something, I like to get the result of what I want instead and all that. So I actually love turmeric scrub, cucumber, carrot, pawpaw, all those active. I'm talking about physical exfoliant now. So those are some of the exfoliants that I personally use myself, and I love the effect of them on my skin. When you've gotten them and you know what you're expecting from the label, then you can go in and use them as a scrub. I personally use scrubbing glove, because it helped me get rid of the scrub very well, and also help to actually direct the scrub much more where I want it to be, so it's not just be littered everywhere or just come into my skin and fall off. Another tip I want to add again is that you can actually add a brightening or lightening oil to your scrub before actually applying it onto your skin to get a major way in terms of the result that you get. Okay, but anytime you want to scrub your skin and you know that you want to add all those little things like coffee or oil to it before scrubbing on your skin, all you have to do is to get a little from your scrub container. Not so you don't pour those constituents directly into your scrub container. You take a little of the scrub from your scrub container, then you put it in a bowl, then you add all the things you want, whether it's turmeric or whether it's oil or coffee. Then you apply it onto your skin. That way you're not going to ruin the shelf life of your scrub, and you can use it over and over again. Okay, so when you're done scrubbing, then another major tips come. That is the tips that you can now apply a good brightening shower gel or a good brightening shower soap, and this time around you're going to love how it's going to bring out that radiating and effective brightening from your skin, because your skin is open now. You've gotten rid of all the dead cells, and even not all the dead cells, you're getting your skin open to actually attract and take all the nutrients of which you're going to apply to your skin. Okay, so at this moment you can go ahead and use the brightening body wash or your brightening bath soap of your choice that you want, and your skin is going to absorb it. So once you are done from this, you can go ahead and use a brightening oil as well, a lightening oil as well, a whitening oil as well, as much as you want. It all depends on the effect that you want on your skin. Okay, so those are the tips and tricks which I use to actually scrub my skin to get the best out of it, like so. Okay, so if you watch to this moment you have not subscribed, give me a thumbs up and do hit that subscribe button right now, because we drop beautiful gems right here that you don't find on the streets. Okay, so and that is very much more some of the tips I want to show you again. So you can actually use a brightening body oil, or you can use a brightening body lotion, a whitening body lotion on your skin after this process. It all depends on what you want after you've taken your bath, after the scrub. Okay, so the order is pre-cleanse, you scrub, then you bath, then you apply your body lotion and body oil. Okay, so if you have, but it all depends on what you want. You can go body oil instead of body lotion, or you can do the both. Okay, like me, I actually love doing the both. When I take my body lotion, I just relax and let it sap in. Okay, so that is it for this time. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.